Fried oyster mushrooms, my favorite. So we're going to start by pulling the mushrooms apart. Don't worry, we'll do it in fast speed. I'm just going to cut these two because they're a little bit too big. Now drop them in a plastic bag. And on to the seasonings. Pink Himalayan salt. Cayenne pepper, if you can take the heat. Some thyme. Now shake it up good. And now the flour. I'm using spelt flour. You know spelt flour is like my favorite. Now shake it up again. You might have to add a little bit more flour if it's not coated properly. And we shake it up again. You just want your mushrooms to be coated properly in the flour and look all powdery and dusty. Okay, that looks good enough for me. Now on to the frying. We're gonna add a generous amount of avocado oil here. And once your oil is hot, carefully add your mushrooms in one by one, or all at once. I'll do half now and half later so I don't crowd the pot. After 2-3 minutes, they're ready to flip over and fry on the other side. These are great. They're crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside.